Hello, welcome to this new tutorial in Talent Administration Center. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute the job we have deployed in Talent Administration Center in the previous tutorial. I'm also going to show you how to set the trigger in order to execute your job automatically at a particular date that has been set in the trigger. So first of all, you need to connect Talent Administration Center. Go to your Talent Administration Center page and launch your TAC and connect with the admin account we just created in the first tutorial. So the password of my admin account is oops. Let me close this window. Yeah, I am already on my job conductor page. Yeah. Okay. So you see here the statue is ready to run. So let us first go on the server page to see if our server, yeah, you see the server, the execution server is available. So to check if the server is available, you just need to check the statue field here. If you have a green checkbox, that means the server is available. If you have a red cross, that means the server is not available. You need to start your server. So let us go back to the job conductor page. To run your job, you need to select it like this and click on the run button. So let me first check if you see here, I want to remove it so that you see how it's going to generate this file to see actually how it's working in real time. So let me delete this file and also the log file. Yeah. Oops. Let me go back to my TAC. Yeah. Okay. So I have selected, let me click on run. You are going to see how it is getting executed. You see it is executing. Yeah, it has been executed successfully. You see here. So go and check you see it has generated the log file with the logs inside. Let me also check the customer filter. It has generated also the customer filter with the 3 customers. So you can rerun it if you want for the second time. It is going to delete to check if the customer filter file exists. If it exists, going to delete it and create it with the 3 customers inside. All successfully. Let us go and check customer filter. Open, you reload it. You see you have the 3 customers. You can recheck also. Yeah, the log you can reload it. You have your logs here. So now let's use so to create your trigger, you have here a button just at the bottom here, a button trigger. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is going to open. You have another button add trigger. So you have 3 types of triggers. The first trigger, you have a simple trigger, you have the Cron. The second trigger is a Cron trigger, and the third one is the file trigger. So a simple trigger is just to set a particular, just one day. Maybe you want your job to run, maybe let's say tomorrow. You set it the 17th of May 2025. Yeah, you can only set one day and a particular time also. While the cron job, you can set periodically. That means in a month you can have 3 days. You want it to run 3 days or maybe 4 days. Don't know, depending on. So the cron job is more if you want to run your job many many days you can use a cron job. And you have also the file trigger. File trigger is actually to trigger the execution of your job based of the to check if a file maybe exists or not, or has been modified or not, or has been created or not. So you first do a you first create a simple trigger. You click on here. This window is going to get open. You can name your trigger my project trigger simple. Description my project trigger simple. Time zone strategy, you can leave the job server time. Yeah, this is the start time. You want your execution maybe to start, let's say, you want tomorrow. You can set your trigger, let's say, tomorrow at 12. Mm, mm, no, let's say 2. No, let's say 2. Let's say um, um, let's say at 10. Yeah, at 10. So you can put the time here, and maybe you can come and check, and you delete the file in this file and also the log file, and then tomorrow you come and check if he has been triggered, just to check. So the end time, you don't need to set the end time. The number of repetition, if you want it to repeat the execution, but I want to be to I want that it should just execute once. If you set the number of repetitions 0, so the time interval just put 1. Post trigger on error, you can allow this, and you click on save now. So the next you see when it has been created, and here it is specifying the time left before the next strike. It is 13 hours 18 minutes that the next trigger will be initiated or initiated. You see, and it is saying the date here. Yeah, so that is a simple trigger. You can also create the cone trigger. So the cone trigger is if you want to run your job maybe periodically. Here you have a cone help, so it's to help you to understand how the cone work actually. Yeah, you can go through this documentation to try to understand if you want. I'm going to close it. Here is my UI configurer. So here, as you see, here you have the minutes, here you have the hours, here you have the day of the month, here you have the month, here you have the day of the week, and here you have the year now. For my case, let's say I want the job to run only this year and only on Thursday. Let's say Thursday, and the month I want to run it each month, all the months. I do a control and I click day of the week. No, because I already selected the month here. So here I have the R. I can put, let's say, 10. Here I have the minutes, so I can select the minutes here. I can put 13. See, I say apply modification. So let me name the description and give it this name. I am leaving job server time. I click on save now. So you have saved it. So for the counter trigger, the next execution is going to be in 5 days. 5 days, you see. Yeah. So let me show you how to. The next trigger, you see, 5 days. That means the 22 of May. It is going to be on Thursday. Normally. Yeah. So you can also add a file trigger. I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to add it. I'm going to show you how it works actually. Click on file trigger. So here you can specify your label, your label name to name your file trigger, the description. So the polling here is as you know, the trigger is initiated based on the existence of the file or the date it has been created or the if it has been modified also. So the polling here is actually to set the time interval that the server is going to go and check if the file exists or not. It is in seconds. So if you put 10, it's going to check after 10 seconds. Here you specify the folder path. And here you specify the file marks. It is a CSV, .csv or .txt. You want to check based on the existence of a file. You want to check based on the creation of a file. You want to check based on the modification of the file. Here you specify the execution server. And you can post trigger and error here also. Once you have put the parameter, you can click on save also. So actually those are the 3 triggers you have in Talend Administration Center. Yeah, let me cancel it. I've cancelled it. Okay, so those are my 3 triggers I've created. So that's it. Yeah. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an execution plan. Yeah, and how to execute an execution plan also. Yeah. So thank you to listening and bye bye.